morning, students, and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Means Remotance. Today, I will start with the new chapter of Maths, lesson number 4, that is cubes and cube roots. Okay, students? Cubes and cube root. So, first of all, we will learn what is cube. We have heard many times the word cube. What is cube first of all? We can say in previous videos, in previous chapter, Rachna ma'am has taught you about square and square roots. In that, what we do? What is square and square root? If we take the square of 2, then what is the square of 2? That is 4. Square means we double the digits. Means 2 square means 2 into 2. First of all, what is cubes? We have heard that cube word. So, we all know this is cube. Why this is cube? Can anyone tell me? Why this is cube? Okay, students, we all know this is a cube. Now, let's see. There are 3 dimensions in all the things. 3 dimensions. Okay, students, that you have also studied in the previous classes. I will now just directly start the cubes and cube roots. Okay. First of all, what is cubes and cube roots? First, we will see the cubes. See here. Cubes means the power to the 3. Means if I have to do 2 cube, then raised to power 3. In square, what we do? 2 raised to 2, power 2. Okay, students? In square, you multiply 2 with 2, that is 2 2s are 4. But in cube, we multiply 2 3 times, not 2 with 3 times, not we have to multiply 2 into 3. We don't have to do this 2 into 3. What we have to do? We have to multiply 2 3 times. We not have to multiply 2 into 3. We have to multiply 2 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. So, this is the difference between square and this is cube. Okay, this is square and this is cube. So, here will be the answer is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, what is the cube of 2? That is 8. What is the square of 2? That is 4. Okay, students, this is the basic example of the cube. There are more examples of it. First of all, what we will do? Just we will see the cubes of 1 to 5. Here, 1 raised to 3. Okay, students, what is the cube of 1? We have to multiply 1 3 times, that is 1 into 1 into 1. So, what will be the answer? 1 only, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. The answer will be 1. Okay, students. Next, we will do 2 cube, that is, what will be there? 2 into, we have to multiply 2 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2. What will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, here will be 8. Okay, students. And next 3 raised to 3 power, that is we 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. What will be the cube of 3? It will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, students. Now turn comes of 4 raised to 3, that is 4 into 4 into 4, and now it comes of 5 cube, that is 5 into 5 into 5. So what will be the cube of 4? Write by yourself. And what will be the cube of 5? Write by yourself. Have you done, students? What will be the cube of 4? Can anyone tell me? 64. Okay, students. And what will be the cube of, here 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are, that is 64. Okay, students. And 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. So this is the cube of 5. So these are the cubes of 1 to 5. You have to just all the cubes you have to all the by heart all the cubes of 1 to 20. Okay, students. Next we will start with the example number 1. Here is the example number 1. Find the value of the following cubes. Here, first of all, let me read introduction of the cube. All the objects in the world are 3 dimension. We all know all the objects are of 3 dimension. It means that everything in the world has length, breadth and height. Okay, students, here I take the cube. This is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height of the cube. If we take example of this cube, then if we take 1 centimeter this cube, then all the sides means length, breadth and height are same, then we can say it is cube. Okay, students, here the length, breadth and height are same of the cube. Okay, students, that is why this is known as cube. A cube is a solid figure which has all its sides equal in length. Means this figure, the cube is what? All the sides. Let me draw a 3D figure of the cube. So this is a 3D figure of cube. Okay, all the length, breadth and height is same. This is known as, if we take here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter and here also 1 centimeter, then we can say this is a cube. This is the 3D figure of the cube. This blue marker is front side and the black marker is the back side. Okay, students, this is the 3D figure of the cube where their length, breadth and height are the same. Okay, students, here we start with the example number 1. So, example number 1. Find the value of the following cubes. So here are the examples we will solve one by one. Here A is 7 cube, B that is 15 cube, C that is minus 4 cube. Okay students, so first of all we will solve these three examples. So what is the cube of 7? Okay students, so what we have to do, we have to multiply 7 3 times, not 7 into 3, we have to multiply 7 3 times, that is 7 into 7 into 7. Okay students, 7 into 7 into 7. So what will be the answer? Can you tell me? 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are. Can anyone tell me? First of all, do it by your own. That is 3 4 3. Okay students, so this is the answer of 7 cube. Next we take 15. So what we have to do? 15 into 15 into 15. We have to multiply 15 3 times. 15 into 15 into 15. So first of all, solve it by your own. 15 into 15. Can anyone tell me? Do it by your own. The answer is 3375. You can multiply also. What is the square of 15? Can anyone tell me? You know the squares of 15, 15 into 15, and by doing that, then square of 15 into 15, and then we have to multiply that with 15. So the answer will be this. Okay students, now what will be the answer of minus 4 cube? So what is done? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So what will be the answer? We all know minus into minus, that is plus. So minus 4 into minus 4, that is 16. Plus 16, not minus 16, but after 16 into minus 4. So what will be the first answer here? 16. But how plus and into minus 4? Okay students, now plus minus minus. So the answer will be minus, what will be the answer? 64. Okay students, please note down this in your example book, which Rachna ma'am has told to write down in example book. Next, examples D, that is 2 by 3 cube, then E 0.4 cube, F 1.2 cube. Okay students, now we will do this sum. So first we will take this one, that is what will be the cube of 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So what we will do? 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay students, and 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So this is the cube of 2 by 3, that is 8 by 27. Now what we will do of this 0.4? 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4. First of all, what we will do? I will teach you, it is long method, but you can understand very well by this. If we put 4 by 10, then it's okay. Here also 4 by 10, here also 4 by 10. So what is the cube of 4? Can anyone tell me? We have written here only. What is the cube of 4? That is 64. 64 into 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, that is 1000. So now you can put, what you will put? 3 zeros, means here 1, 2, 3, means 0.064. This is the answer of 0.4. The 0.4 cube is 0.064. This is long method, but you can do easily by this. You can't make mistake by this method. And next, in this also we can put in the fraction form, means 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. Okay students, what we will do first? We will keep in the fraction form 12 into 10, 12 into 10, 12 into 10. So what will be the answer? First of all, do it by yourself, this one. So 12 12s are 144. So 144 into 12. Multiply this. The answer will be 1728 by 1000. 10 cube, that is 1000. So we will put point where? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Here will be the point, that is 1.728 will be the answer. Okay students. So next, last example. So this example is minus 3 by 4 cube. Okay students, so in this what we have to do? We have to multiply this 3 times. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4. Okay, what is the cube of 3? We all know. What is the cube of 3? That is 27 divided by 64. The cube of 3 is 27 and the cube of 4 is 64. Now we will discuss about this sign. What will come? Negative or positive? Minus minus plus. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. What we will get? 3 3s are 9. 9 by 16. That we will get plus 9 by 16. And then plus 9 by 16 is to be multiplied by minus 3 by 4. So plus minus minus. So here sign which will come? Here will come minus sign. Okay students. Here in the next page there is a new topic, that is perfect perfect cube. So what is perfect cube? We will discuss this. What is perfect cube? Okay, students. If we talk perfect cube, what is perfect cube? Sorry, I forgot to rub this. So, what is perfect cube? We will see. I will give an example of it. Here, if we take an example as 8, is this a perfect cube? Let us see that, by which if we want to know this is perfect cube or not, we have to do LCM of it, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So, what is the factors of 8? That is 2 into 2 into 2. So, this is the perfect cube. Okay, students, this is the perfect cube. Now, we will take as 9. Sorry, not 9. Now, we will take another 100. So, 100 is a perfect cube or not? What we have to do? We have to factorize 100. First of all, we will factorize with 2 5s are 10, here 0. 2 2s are 4, remains here 1, 10, that is 25. Now, 25 means 5 5s are 5 1s are. Here, the factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So, what is perfect cube? This is not a perfect cube, not perfect. Okay, students, not perfect cube. Why? What is perfect cube? If we factorize that number, then there will be 3 factors same, means if 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 comes, and another 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times 5 comes, then it is a perfect cube. There are some of the examples of perfect cube in your textbook. Let us see that. See here. Now consider a number 8. This is obtained by multiplying 2 into 2 into 2. So, this is the perfect cube. Okay, 8 is perfect cube. A perfect cube or a cubic number is a number obtained by multiplying a number by its 3 times. Means if we multiply a number by 3 times, the number which is get by multiplying these 3 digits, then that is a perfect cube. Okay, students. So, here there are the examples of perfect cube. See here, perfect cubes 8, 27, 125, 343, 512. These are the perfect cubes. Okay, students, and not perfect cube, that is 30, 65, 121 and 625. These are not perfect cubes. Now, properties of cube. What are the properties of cube? Now we will discuss the properties of cubes. There are some of the properties of cubes. Let us discuss that. properties of cubes. Okay students, let's see some of the properties of cube. Here in your textbook, the first property is, if there is a unit digit in the unit place, there is a 1. So when you will do its cube, then also the unit digit will be 1. Let's take an example of it. If we take the cube of 1, then it will be 1 only. And now if we will take the cube of 11, so what is the cube of 11? Can anyone tell me? What is the cube of 11? One, 3, 3, 1. This is the cube of 11. Here in the unit place there is 1. So in this cube also the unit place will be 1 only. Okay students, next is 21. 21. So what is the cube of 21? We all know that at last there will be 1. So we will write this 1 first. Now what will be the cube of 21? Count by yourself. What is 9, 2, 6, 1? Here also at last what come? 1. If in the unit digit there is a 1, then the cube of its in unit digit will be 1. And then the next example is 31 cube. So what will be the answer? Here is the 1. So here also there will be 1. We will write this first. Now what is the example? Sorry, what is the cube of 31? Count. So the cube of 31 is 29791. Okay students, this is the cube of 31. So let's see the textbook. So the first property, for a number with unit digit 1, for a number with unit digit 1, their cube will also have the unit digit as 1. Means if we take an example of any and its cube, that number has unit digit 1, then its cube also has unit digit 1. Okay students, these are some of the examples given in your textbook. Now the second property. What is the second property? Please read that first of all. Here, the second property, if we take 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, as in if there is 1 in unit place, the answer will be, the cube of that answer will be have unit digit also 1. So in this also 4, 5 and 6, 9 or 0, there will be same only. If we cube root the digit we have which have unit digit 4, then its cube will be cube also have the unit digit 4. If we cube 25, there is unit digit that is 5. Okay students, then also its cube have the unit digit last 5. So this is the next property. Here are some of the examples of it. In here I will directly take the examples of your textbook. Here that is given, first of all 14, 1 4 14 cube. So what will be the cube of 1 4 14? The answer is 2744. You can see here in the unit digit there is 4 and here also in the unit digit there is 4. Okay students, next 25. 4 complete, now 25. What will be the cube of 25? That is 15625. You can see here 5, here also in the unit digit 5. Next is 16 cube. What is the 16 cube? That is 4096. Here 6, here also in the unit place 6. Okay students, next is 19. If we take the cube of 19, then it will be 6 8 5 9. Here its unit place is 9 and here also its unit place is 9. Okay students, and at last we will take 10 cube. So what is the 10 cube? That is 0 0 0. Here also 0, here also 0. Okay students, so this is the 4 5 6 9 or 0. If it's in the number in unit digit is 4, then here also in the cube unit digit will come 4. If there is 5, here also 5. If there is 6, here also 6. If there is 9, here also 9. If there is 0, here also 0. See, this is the second property of the cubes, and another property we will discuss in our next video. Up till then, stay safe, stay home, and before going I will give you the homework. What you have to do in your homework? Homework. You have to write the example 1 in your example book. Okay students, and also you have to calculate the exercise. Here it is example 1, and in exercise 1a, what you have to do? You have to write question 1. Okay students, you have to write question 1 of exercise 1a in your homework. Okay students, and example 1 in your example book and exercise 1a question 1 you can directly write it in your fair book. If you have doubt in any of this, you can keep some space, and then after you can message me and I will give the answer, and by that time you can write that. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.